What's up guys, and here we go. The most longest leak ever is here, and by that I mean the whole freaking year-long Samsung roadmap plan is leaked, not just by anyone, but by the most credible source out there, that is Evan Blass. It reveals a lot of stuff like a fan edition phone coming in the month of August, a new Galaxy A series phone coming as well, and then something we didn't see coming, a proper PC Unpacked event. For the first time we have an Unpacked event where we're not gonna see any phones. Why? The answer to this question is 3 letters, 1 word, say it out loud with me, AMD. Other than all of this, we're also going to be talking about how Qualcomm is messing up big time and why this could become a big problem for Samsung. Okay, let's take a look at the roadmap. So we are here in the month of March and we just got done with Samsung's awesome Unpacked event for the Galaxy A series. And then in the month of April, we have a proper PC Unpacked event. We've heard via South Korean sources that Samsung could be bringing its Exynos 2200 AMD based chip on its Windows laptops before we see it on a smartphone. And seems like this might actually happen. Samsung and AMD are big boys. They're not going to be playing with smartphones all day. They want to do something big, and that is to penetrate the market of laptops. It all started with Apple ditching Intel and making their own ARM-based M1 chip which performs really good. Because of this move, Samsung is expected to do the same thing by ditching Intel and Qualcomm and go for their own chips for their laptops. Qualcomm on the other hand is also working on its own chip to challenge both Samsung and Apple in the future. The fight for the best ARM-based chip for laptops is real. Qualcomm Gold versus Samsung AMD versus Apple M1, it's all happening. Meanwhile, Intel is just chilling in the corner and just crying. Now moving forward from the PC Unpacked event, we have the Tab S7 Lite model coming in June, and then there's a launch for another Galaxy A series phone, the A22 5G. By the model number, we can assume that this could be the absolute cheapest 5G smartphone from Samsung. And then in the month of August, as promised, Samsung will be doing a FE Unpacked event. Yes, a fan edition phone is coming based on Galaxy S21 specs, but then an affordable price tag of probably $600. This will be that perfect phone that will sit between the Galaxy A lineup and the flagship S series, once again bringing flagship features, most importantly flagship chips, Snapdragon 888 and Exynos 2100 at that affordable price point. Now we are assuming that this fan edition phone will be Galaxy S21 FE, not the Note 21 FE, but we're not completely sure. As I've talked about before, there may still be a place for an affordable Note phone in the market. Unlike last year, the original S21 was already launched at $800, and by the time this phone comes out, the Galaxy S21 will be even more cheaper. So honestly, it may just be a Note 21 FE. A Galaxy Note 21 FE kind of makes more sense, but let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. So there we go. This is the mini Samsung roadmap for 2021. Again, there will be some other devices like Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Fold 3, probably after the FE Unpacked event. Also in the news, Qualcomm is struggling to make flagship chips which could directly impact the Galaxy S21 series and of course Samsung's future flagship phones. According to Reuters.com, the demand is just too much for Qualcomm to handle and they're struggling to keep up with everything. It's mentioned that Samsung Electronics are currently facing a big shortage of chips from Qualcomm. Some Samsung suppliers are saying that this chip shortage is affecting some mid-range phones that are using Qualcomm-based chips. They're also facing some shortages regarding the Snapdragon 888 chip, which again could directly impact the Galaxy S21 series in regions where it's rocking the Snapdragon 888 chip. According to Reuters, Samsung declined to comment on the matter, but this is a pretty big issue. This is why you should not be depending on one brand. A top contract manufacturers for several brands confirmed to Reuters that this is a big issue and it could cut smartphone shipments in half. I guess now is the perfect time that Android manufacturers need a second big player in the game, and I think Samsung could fill those shoes by providing their Exynos chips for other brands as they started doing it with their Exynos 1080. So far, we have only seen this chip coming to one phone only, and that is a China exclusive Vivo X60 Pro. But in the future, phones like Pixel 6 and other smartphones could rock Samsung based chip. Anyways, that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, subscribe to the channel for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.